Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to open your GMC Acadia key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of your key fob. Press this button to release the emergency key. Once pressed, gently pull the emergency key straight out from the top of the fob. This key is essential for the next step and also serves as a manual backup. Now, look into the slot where you just removed the emergency key. You'll see a small opening. Carefully insert a small, flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the coin cell battery. Before removing it, take note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot. Now, test all the buttons to ensure your key fob is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.